It's a dark moment for Uganda's comedian Patrick Idringi, popularly known as Salvador, after court ordering him to call 500 million Ugandan shillings following a shadow land deal or else risk to be taken to jail. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. But let's take more look into some of these details. According to court documents, it all started in 2016 when Salvador, under his company House of Laughter Bar and Grill Limited, approached a one Lawrence Tumusiime who owns land at block 222 plot number 2448 in Namugongo Kira division, Wakiso district, and entered into a deal to develop the former land with the intent of setting up a bar business named House of Laughter Bar and Grill Limited. After signing agreements saying that he was not impressed with the premises on land outlook, Salvador decided to raze it to the ground, promising to replace it with a better structure that was to be bankrolled by his investor, David Greenhalgh, famously known as Bad Black's white husband, whom she defrauded over 10 billion Ugandan shillings. According to sources, once the structure was destroyed, putting up a new structure came with a lot of hardships. After the foundation level was up, the funder pulled out. All this were happening on top of an agreement that Salvador would pay the landlord Tumusiime a monthly rent of 4.5 million Ugandan shillings with effect from 1st of June 2016. Unfortunately, late after signing the agreement, Salvador failed to pay as agreed and defrauded the first month rent, which prompted the land to drag him to court. In court, it was discovered that even Salvador's company, House of Laughter Bar and Grill Limited, was non-existent, another a breach of contract. House of Laughter Bar and Grill Limited, on behalf of which the defendant Salvador had signed as its director, was non-existent at the material time, and in fact, no such company had ever been incorporated under the laws of Uganda, reads part of the ruling as per the case. Court further ruled that the defendant breached the terms of the said tenants agreement and is hereby held personally liable for the said breach and the resultant loss and damages thereof. The plaintiff is awarded special damages of 4,264,750,000 million Ugandan shillings at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of filing the suit until payment in full. In the same vein, court awarded the sum of 30 million Ugandan shillings to Tumusiime at the same rate of 6% from the date of judgment until payment is made in full, and also ordered Salvador to pay costs of the suit. Well, that is it for now. It's a hard time for Salvador right now, and we'll keep on updating with more of this. Kindly do one thing: subscribe and turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.